Yulan sa lahat ng nagdadala ng pangalahat.
Aray, kaya ako pumakay. Aray.
Pagising sa umaga, kay ganda, kay ganda, kay ganda ng mundo, ginawa niya. Ngayon ko lang nakita ang ganda ng mundo. Salamat sa Diyos at ako'y binago.
it's your birthday, your most special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget all your sorrows. It's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, your most awaited day. You can hear the voices of your brothers and sisters singing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Look at the sunshine
Sing above,
shining
up the mountains,
surrounded by the lakes. Look at the birds flocking down the streets, singing sweet melodies of your most awaited day. You can hear the voices of your brothers and sisters singing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Sa among igsoon, Brad Aris. Brad, luyo sa kabugnaw sa panahon. Luyo sa kanindot sa smile sa bulan karon. Hinaot na imong adlaw karon nagmalipayon. O kasayod kami nga ang Dios nagadugang sa imong ginabuhi. Ug adunay purpose nini uban sa imong pamilya, uban sa imong mga anak. Bisan pa sa mga kaigsuunan, among mga kasing-kasing nalipay gyud pag-ayo samtang nagpadulong diri, excited kayo mi. Ug Brad, sa imong adlaw na tawhan hinaot na magmalipayon ka ug among mga pag-ampo diha kanimo natagaan pa kag lugway kinabuhi, kusog ka baskog sa imong panlawas o ang gugma sa Ginoo ug ang iyang grasya magabugkos sa tibuok ninyong pamilya. Once again, Brad, from Love and Truth Church family, Surigao, we are here to greet you a happy birthday.
you can hear the voices from your brothers
And sisters singing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
I among Brad Aris.
time is here. What a lovely gift from Jesus. He has given you one more year.
Happy time, your birthday. Happy time is here. What a lovely gift from Jesus. He has given you one more year. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May you feel Jesus near every hour of the year. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Dear sweet Natalia, yours. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? Happy birthday to you.
How old are you?
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Once again, Brad Aris, in behalf of Alaban Truth Church family, Surigao, saan naman ka? Happy birthday to you, Brad.
Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey, hey.
Happy
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati sa'yo. Sa tuwing birthday mo, ikaw ay maligaya. Katulad ngayon, mukha mo'y masaya. Sana'y marami pang birthday ang abutin mo. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati sa'yo.
Happy birthday!
Brad.
Brad.
Birthday, Brad.
Balik tayo, tas na mong halad.
Ay, sobra.
Happy birthday! Good morning! Good morning! Ito ang mong halad sinunok. Salam, please. Uy!
Salamat. Sis, good morning.
Good
Watan
morning!
nga mong halad sinunog pagwagtan sa mga kalabasan.
Ano mo si John? Siya sino manini? Mas kami naman.
Hi, Riri. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.